Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got another exciting NFT project for you called the Cult DAO. This is a very unique project. We're going to go through their website, go through their roadmap, take a look at their team, and do a quick recap of their white paper. After that, we will look at their social media, let you know if they're active, and where we think this project will go. Now, before we get started, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, and anything that I do say in this video is my own personal opinion. So make sure you do your own research before investing in any NFTs, and make sure that you never invest more than you are willing to lose. Okay, starting out on their website, you'll notice here it is extremely dynamic, it's unique, and I like that the way that it flows. I think it flows very well, and I like the look of it. And the first thing when scrolling down here, it says unique avatars for DAO members. The Cult DAO community will be voting on which NFTs or crypto assets to invest in for the benefit of all DAO members. The NFT token registered in the Ethereum blockchain, Girl in the Helmet, grants its holders exclusive ownership of the NFTs stored within the Cult DAO treasury. Simply by holding a Girl in the Helmet NFT token, individuals will not only have the unique opportunity to own current and future limited NFT collections, but also obtain exclusive access to other member privileges, giveaway raffles, and future Cult DAO events. The revenue generated from the final 1,000 NFT mints and 1,000 of the post-sale royalties will go towards the DAO treasury. I really like their opening statement here. It gives you a very quick insight and overview of the project, and I really like that. And coming down the page, they do have their launch trailer here, which you can check out on their website or on YouTube. Now, coming down to the collection section, it says Cult is a collection of 2,900 NFT avatars, which is the entry ticket for Cult members. Athena, which is live on Ethereum currently, has 10 helmets, 10 color schemes for the helmets, 10 costumes, 10 color schemes for those costumes, and then there is the super rare golden mutation, which is less than 0.99%. They do go into some more information about the cults here, and you can read a little bit more about it on their website. They have a little bit of a story for each one, and I think they did a really good job with these. I do like that they fleshed them out even just a little bit to start, and it definitely gives it more depth to the NFT in my opinion. Now, currently you can mint these, and they are providing gas refunds to minters who purchase 2 or more NFTs. And next we'll look at their roadmap here. So currently in 2021, they completed the Genesis pre-sale phase, they created their Discord channel with token gated access, and they stored the funds in a multi-sig wallet. Then they set up a snapshot space for governance, and currently right now they are in their public sale phase, which is going to be 2,600 NFTs, and again the revenue generated from the final 1,000 NFTs and 100% of the post-sale royalties will go towards the DAO's treasury. And looking forward to 2022, it says they look to start a family. They're going to launch a men's collection, Boy in the Helmet, which will be an exclusive NFT token that bridges the divide between Athena and the offspring. It will provide holders both NFT tokens with additional benefits and restricted access to the child collection, which will also be coming in 2022. Next, it says the benefits for the owners, and the first one is monthly profit distribution. And it says, as a collectible DAO project, we will trade and collect expensive and captivating NFTs for the DAO's vault. The owners will decide through voting which projects should be bought or sold. Profits will depend on the earned monthly sum from NFT transactions in the DAO wallet and will be distributed respectfully amongst the holders or observed through the value of the Cult token. Next, they will have whitelist spots and gas refunds for the next collections. Our plan is to create a new male Cult collection and then a kids collection afterwards. Cult holders of the Girl in the Helmet NFT will receive guaranteed whitelist spots, gas refunds, and exclusive benefits from all planned future NFT collections. Owners will also have access to the shop and gallery in the metaverse. One of the main goals of the Cult DAO is opening a gallery and shop of all collectibles and NFTs. Metaverse users will be able to buy them directly in the metaverse. Holders will also be able to trade their Girl in the Helmet NFTs there as well. And the next is the shop gallery, which they actually mentioned before that you will have access to, and it says, we don't want our presence to be only for the web. We're chasing all the innovative opportunities we can find, and that's why buying territory in the metaverse is one of our main priorities. With so many different features and utilities, the metaverse will be a productive space for most of our traders and collectors. Next is their charity. The revenue generated from 10% of the last 1,000 mints will go to charity. Owners will vote for the sum of the charity donations, the specific charity organization, and the date at which the donation will occur. And lastly, support for other DAO projects. We consider ourselves to be early in the DAO space. That's why we want other DAO projects to succeed alongside us. We will set up future Twitter spaces and Discord meetings for new DAOs and be willing to share our wide array of experience with them. Now, I do like their future goals for this project. I definitely like that they're trying to work with other projects and get them to be successful as well. And I always love seeing a charity donation. I think that just builds value for the community as a whole and the project itself. I think these are two major aspects of how this project will succeed. Now below that it says, for every NFT you purchase, you will also gain membership privileges. It's similar to buying governance tokens in a regular DAO. The NFT becomes a membership pass. Next is a quick look at their team and their NFT that represents them. And they do have their own respective Twitter and Instagrams if you want to go check out more on each member of the team. And taking a look at the bottom of their page here, they do have their FAQs, and their first one here is, hey, how do holders eventually benefit from holding the Cult DAO NFTs? And they explain here, so we just bought a punk for 100 ETH. We are holding it. If in the future the value of punks increased to 150 ETH, for example, our holding has increased in value. We will be able to vote if we want to hold it or sell it as a DAO. If we sell it, the DAO wallet gets the Ethereum and we can choose to reinvest again. Next is, what is the plan to replenish the funds in the DAO when we have less revenue from OS activities because of the NFT placement? And their response is, the DAO will buy assets that are potentially well ahead of the market. The main will make the right deals. Next, does anyone know how a multi-sig wallet works? And it explains, multi-signature wallets are cryptocurrency wallets that require 2 or more private keys to sign and send a transaction. The storage method requires multiple cryptographic signatures to access the wallet. And finally, as the DAO wallet gets super huge, how do we ensure that the key holders won't work together and steal the DAO assets? And their response, public people who value their name will be chosen. People will be chosen by a vote of the DAO members as well. And if you want to get more information here, they do have their documentation at docs.culd.org, and we'll take a quick look at that next. Now, coming over to their document site here, you can get a lot more information if you want to go down through each of these, but they do show you their launching, their proposed structure and roadmap, as well as their infrastructure, which is what wallets they currently have and the tools that they're using and what NFTs they've purchased. Next, you've got your membership rights. So if you do own one of these and you have minted one, you can find more information on your place in the community. Now, coming over and taking a look at their Twitter, they currently have 17,000 followers, and they are extremely active and post every day, if not multiple times a day as well. They are currently minting, so I think they are a lot more active than normal, but before minting, again, they posted daily. They also interacted with other NFT projects, and they do a lot of giveaways. So definitely follow the Twitter for any sneak peeks and any major giveaways, contests, and other major informations on the project as a whole and their investments. So coming over and taking a look at their Discord, they currently have 14,500 members. They're extremely active in here. Their chat is going 24 hours a day. They've got lots of information on the project, all their FAQ here, contest information, minting information, and they also go into more detail of other aspects of NFTs like shield templates, different collections that are out there, the ones that they're helping, sneak peeks. If you want to come take a look at some of the variations that could be minted. Overall, I love that their Discord is very well organized and you can find anything and everything you want to know about the project, plus other NFT aspects as well. You'll definitely want to join this if you're interested in the project, and this is going to be the best way to be involved. This is definitely going to be the best place for information, minting, interactions, everything. If you're interested even a little bit, come check out their Discord. You will not be disappointed. So in closing with the Cult DAO, I really like this project. I think they're set up for success, especially trying to help other DAOs be successful. They have a community-driven wallet plus community-driven investments. They've got a lot of aspects here that I think have set them up for success. Now, the secondary market with them is going to be on OpenSea. They have a link on their front page here. But overall, we would like to know what you guys think about this project. Do you think it's something you are interested in? Do you think you are going to invest? Have you already invested? Or maybe you think it's just going to fall on its face and not go anywhere. Either way, let us know in the comments below. We would love to interact with you there. And if there's another project out there you guys want us to cover, let us know in the comments and we'll make a video on it. Thank you for watching, guys. Like the video and subscribe for more NFT projects like this and others. And we will see you in the next video.